probably easier to cut the whole limb than cutting pieces on the ground. So whatever you do, make sure you don't try to put the blade back on over a deck that has, you know, holes in it. Because what happens is you wind up dropping this piece down there. Then you gotta tie a piece of string to a magnet and fish it out. So it only took like 30 seconds, but it was a pain in the ass. Obviously, I'm trying not to tangle it worse than it was, which I'm doing right now. This happens probably 3 or 4 times every time I use the chainsaw. So, and it's pretty easy to untangle, but it always gets tangled. I don't know why, it just does. And I always have issues untangling it. Yeah, something like that. And that. And like that. And like that. Oh, fuck, fuck. Yeah, something like that. You kidding me? And then, okay, that I think. Fuck. Yes. There we go. Okay, so now it's untangled. It's like a magic trick, and it starts off not tangled. Then you pull the blade out, and it's tangled, and it kind of wraps in on itself. And this part's very easy. Just line the blade up onto the bar. If your bar's bent, you're screwed. I thought this bar was bent, but it's not. Okay. Once you have your chain on the bar, you put it in the, it's very, very simple. The only thing that's not simple is sharpening these blades. Why this part always gives me yeah, simple. You know I'm probably going to wind up cutting out 10 minutes of this, because that's how long it's taken me to put this back together. Okay, drop in place. In place. This just has to go here. Okay. Yay. There's the little yellow knob. There it is. Try to keep this tight as you tighten the thing down. That thing's a pain in the ass. There you go. That's what's left after I did a little chainsawing. See that whole top branch? All those branches up top have to go. They're going to be cut down. It's most likely going to be chopped down too. It's hanging right over the shed. I don't know though. It provides a good deal of privacy right here. For what? I don't know. No one's ever in the backyard. But where the Y split is right there, that's getting chopped. Those overhanging branches on the shed are getting chopped. This one is getting cut. All that from there up. It's all dead. The whole tree's dead. So it's all getting cut down. Because it's a dead tree. And there's some of what I cut down. Most of it was just giant roots and a grapevine, which this is a part of a grapevine. I know it looks like driftwood, but it's so dried out, and the grapevine in most places, here, I'll show you, it's still curling. Right. That is just a monstrous grapevine. So I kind of liberated the tree, but now I'm going to kill it anyway.